just got my first smartwatch delivered. So let's unbox it together. Wow, this is okay. What is this egg doing? Okay, supposed to push it. Yeah. Okay. So how do I get it out? How do you get this thing out? So finally, wow. Wow. Okay, let me get the manual out of the way. Oh, yes. So nice. So this is it. And then this is it. God bless you for unboxing with me. We'll let you know how it works. My first electronic order from Amazon. Let me see whether I'll get a good review for it. Okay. Whew.
Traded on the New York Stock Exchange.
Right.
And the
Toronto Stock Exchange.
Toronto Stock Exchange. I even read in one of your own documents that your revenue went up last year by 67%. Is that correct?
Yeah, we're expanding. I mean, when you think about it, we have an incredible amount of demand for what we do. So, Leslie, in any given week, we might have 200 or 300 homes available.
For renting.
For renting. And we get about 10,000 leasing inquiries a week.
Tricon is trying to buy 800 houses a month. And there are companies even bigger. Invitation Homes owns more than 80,000 rental houses. American Homes for Rent close to 60,000. Some of the all-stars of finance, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Blackstone, have put hundreds of millions of dollars into these companies. They all offer rental homes online and all focus on the Sun Belt.
Our largest portfolio would be in Atlanta, in Charlotte, in Phoenix, in Tampa.
And those are the cities that young millennials are flocking to?
This is where Americans want to be. We're finding that Americans are moving from the Northeast, from the Midwest, to move to the Sun Belt because taxes are lower. It's a friendlier business environment. It's better weather. And so there's a movement taking place, and the pandemic unleashed powerful nesting trends and work from home trends.
Nesting trends.
Powerful nesting trends. When we survey our residents, why did they move to be with us?
Yeah.
The number one reason is they want more space.
Big investment companies like yours are being blamed for this huge increase in rents across the country. And you can set the rent any way you want, really, given the demand you're talking about.
First, corporate landlords represent 2% of all single-family rental housing. So there's a lot more going on than just corporate landlords bidding up homes. It's a very competitive and difficult environment.
It's true that big investors don't own nearly as many houses as mom and pop landlords, people who might have just a few properties. But big firms like Tricon do play a larger and growing role in the Sunbelt cities where they're active. Rent increases are all over the map.